As you close your eyes, start to breathe in and out through your nose if you're not already doing so. Let's take this really slow and give yourself permission to shed all of the stimuli and energy you've acquired from others as you follow the sound of my voice in this visualization to help you downregulate. Imagine that your body is radiating with the energy of all of the moments you've been in contact with other people. This energy isn't bad or good, but it is a lot of energy, and it's not yours. Every time someone has touched your hand today or interacted with you in some way, they've left a little bit of energy behind. And right now, it's just a little bit too much energy. So as your body radiates, focus on your breath, breathing in and out through your nose. How does your breath feel? Is it fast or slow? Warm or cool? Just notice it. Keep breathing through your nose, and as you do, follow the path of your breath through your body. Where does it take you? Do you notice it lingering in certain areas? Maybe your chest or stomach? Breathe into those spaces. They're easy to find and recognize because they seem to be radiating brighter and with more energy than the others. So let's release some of that excess energy and help you get back to your center. Now with each exhale out through your nose, visualize that you release some of that energy, and as it exits your body, it looks like puffs of shimmering light that quickly fade away as you release it. Your body slowly starts to calm down, and that radiation, that energy, the glow begins to subside. So spend some time working through your body and breathing into these spaces, noticing how that energy releases and noticing how your body shifts with each breath. Now that you have worked your way through your body and released much of that excess energy, you feel more and more connected to your core as the stimulation decreases within you. But there is a bit more to do. A soft wave rolls over your body, starting at the top of your head. This gentle, energetic wave works like a magnet and attracts any residual unwanted energy that was still holding on to your body. Feel the wave move over you now, moving slowly all the way down to the bottoms of your feet and removing everything that doesn't serve you at this time. And as it rolls over your body, you are gently lulled into a space of complete relaxation. You have released and relaxed. You are at your perfect internal regulation. So now your mind and body begins to realign with the physical world, and your breath deepens. You may want to roll your shoulders or ankles, perhaps letting your fingers and toes dance a bit. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back into your space with your own undistracted core energy to guide you.